Hello, hi everyone. My name is Dr. Sana Khan, and in this video, we are going to talk about commensalism, which is a one kind of population interaction. Okay, so let's talk about commensalism. So, what is commensalism? Over here, if you can see, I have written plus and zero. What does that mean? It means that one of the species is going to get benefited and the other one is not going to get harmed, nor it's going to get benefit. So kuch bhi nahi milega usko. Okay, it's like zero, nothing. So it's an association between members of two species in which one is benefited, that's why it's called as commensal, while the other is almost unaffected, means it's neither harmed nor benefited. Okay, so उसको कुछ benefit भी नहीं होगा ना और उसको कुछ harm भी नहीं होगा to the host. So let's take examples. As you know that यहाँ पर आपको जो पढ़ना है that's only examples. Okay, it's like the meaning is very easy. So woody plants roots are present in soil, but their stem use other plant or object for support to get better light. So here nothing is, the other one is not getting any harm. Okay, it's just using the other stems to so that it get good light, better light. So your example is Bahuinia, sorry, Tinos, sorry, God bless me. Okay, Tinospora. Then the other ones are called as epiphytes. So let us see what are epiphytes. So these are small plants which grow on other plants in tropical rainforest. So epiphytes are ones which are very small plants and they grow on other tropical plants. So why they are growing on other plants? Because they are occupying its space. Okay, because it requires a space of the host. Okay, for proper light and humidity. See like this. So example is orchid. So how orchid is growing on the host plant, and it's growing because obviously it requires space, light, and a proper light and a humidity. Another example would be hanging moss. So any plant which grow on other plant, those plants are called as epiphytes. Now let us see what are epizoic. See, these terms are also important. Huh? So organisms which live on the surface of other organisms without harming them. Okay, so here the organism is going to live on the other organism, but it's not going to harm them. So example is suckerfish, which is also called as echines, that is shark. So suckerfish attaches to the shark with the help of its dorsal fin. See like this. Can you see? Hold fast. Feeding on the falling pieces of food. So suckerfish is going to get attached to the shark like this, and whatever food is falling, it's going to consume that. So here the one is going to get benefit, but the shark is not getting any benefit over here. The only suckerfish is getting food which has been fallen from the shark. Next one is pilot fish. It's also called as Naucratis shark and shark. So another example is between pilot fish and shark. So your pilot fish always accompany shark like this without getting attached to it for food. So it's just getting accompanied. It's just following the shark so that it gets food. So your pilot fish will get the food, but shark is neither benefited nor harmed. Then E. coli, I think it went very fast. Sorry for that. So E. coli bacteria that's present in intestine of man. So this is something which we know that E. coli are the bacteria which are present in our intestine, which helps in the formation of vitamin K. So it's helping us and the host, like we are neither getting harmed and nor any benefit. We are not we are not getting any harm from here. Okay. So another example is E. coli. So another example over here is barnacles, that is whales. Another example is barnacles or horseshoe crab, that is Limulus polyphemus. Then few more examples are jackals, which followed lion or tiger for food. Then comes your cattle egret or cattle, which is a classic example of commensalism. See, there are few examples which I'm explaining you, and there are few examples where I'm just mentioning you so that, if it comes in your exams, you know that, okay, ma'am has already mentioned this in commensalism. Okay, so I'm trying to mention and explain you all the examples which are there in your NCERT. So let us talk about the cattle egret and cattle. So egrets always forage close to where the cattle are grazing, because cattle, as they move, stir up and flush out insects. So whenever the cattle is moving now, it's like the insects are flush out up, it goes up, and the egret can eat that insect. So your egret is getting benefit and the cattle is not getting benefit or nor any harm. Another example is clownfish and sea anemone. Sea anemone. So here fish gets protection from the predator, which stay away from the stinging tentacles. Be like this. Okay, so fish is going to get protection over here from the stinging tentacles. And anemone does not appear to derive any benefit by hosting the clownfish. So as sea anemone is a is a place where the sea fishes are, where the fishes are there, so they are going to get protection from sea anemone, while sea anemone is not going to get any benefit nor it's going to get harmed. So that's all about commensalism. So the most classic example is sea anemone. Please do remember about what is epizoic, what are epiphytic, cattle egret, intestine and vitamin K, how it's staying in our intestine and helping us in the formation of vitamin K. So please remember these examples for commensalism. That's all about commensalism. I'll meet you soon with the next video. Till then, bye. Take care. Study hard. Work for your dreams. That's my patent line. Please, please, please work for your dreams. Bye.